Lose the plot, unraveling the mystery of this idiomatic phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions, particularly the phrase, lose the plot. This common expression in English can be puzzling, especially for learners. So, let's unravel its meaning and usage together. The phrase, lose the plot, originated in the UK and is widely used in various English-speaking countries. It means to become confused, disoriented, or irrational. The term, plot, here refers to the storyline in a book or play. Thus, when someone loses the plot, it's like they've lost track of what's happening in a story, but in real life. This expression is often used in situations where someone is acting unreasonably or not understanding what's happening. To grasp the phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. After working for 48 hours straight, Jenna completely lost the plot and started making silly mistakes. 2. During the meeting, when he suddenly started talking about unrelated issues, we all thought he had lost the plot. These examples show that losing the plot can happen due to stress, tiredness, or being overwhelmed. This phrase is informal and best used in casual conversations or creative writing. It's not appropriate for formal contexts. You might use it when describing someone's behavior or mental state in a light-hearted way, but be cautious as it can be seen as insensitive if someone is genuinely struggling. There are other phrases with similar meanings, such as off one's rocker, out to lunch, not all there. However, each of these carries slightly different connotations and levels of formality. And there you have it. Now you know all about the idiom, lose the plot. Remember, idiomatic expressions add color and personality to our language, making it richer and more vibrant. I hope this video has been insightful, and I look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you. Happy learning!